Yo. Let's get it, let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, let's go. We're back, man. So today we're gonna, we're gonna do some creamy, cheesy, macaroni, boneless, skinless, chicken, drumstick, fully flavoured. Just a little dabble, man. Just like that. Nothing too much. Just a base the pot. Spread the oil around the surface area. Got good old chicken. Boneless, skinless, have been seasoned from yesterday, so it's been sitting in the fridge. All the flavours in there, all the usual herbs and spices, man. Less is more around there. Yeah, that's in and look up the green seasoning one time. Get the pot on for macaroni. Smelling all beautiful. We're gonna lock the pot. So it's been, little 8 minutes, about to remove the cover now, man. Woo! Look at that, look at that. Look at colour come true. Dutchie trying to run away from me today, Dutchie trying to run away from me. Let's reduce the heat. Yeah. So all that good old macaroni water, we're gonna push some to the side, car. We're gonna need some of that for later. Removing that flavoursome chicken from the pot. Re-season up the pot. This is where we add our cream sauce. Yeah, remember, flavors from the chicken in there already. We just added some more herbs and spices. At the same time, we're not overdoing it, just it's all to your preference, man. No recipes neither. Taste and test as we go. Mix and blend as we go. That's how we get the flavors for days, And we're not wasting none of this. Added the cheese into the mix. Welcome the cheese to the mix. So what we're doing right here is we're going to thicken up the sauce. That creamy sauce, man. Before that flavor's up in there. You see it there? You see it there? That's that here. That's that sauce. So we're gonna add in a little pasta water we save back. That good old macaroni, cooked just the right way. Been chilling there, waiting to get introduced to the flavoursome pot. You guys back? Yeah. Okay. Give it a little mix. Give it a little mix. We have it. It's all done. Creamy, cheesy, macaroni, boneless, skinless, chicken, drumstick, fully flavoured. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please let me know if you try this recipe in the comment section.